Hey everyone, today I'm gonna be talking about density and buoyancy through an experiment we did. You know how anchors always fall to the bottom of the water within seconds, while other objects like wooden planks will just float? And that basically made us wanted to test the speed that takes an item to drop to the bottom of the water and how it is related to its density. Our hypothesis was that if the density of the object increases, its buoyancy will decrease because high density causes objects to sink. Some of the keywords that are really important in this experiment are buoyancy, which is the ability to float. Density is just the object's mass divided by its volume, and speed is just the time it takes for an item to travel to a certain location. Here's our equipment list. As you can see, we're using a plastic and metal ruler, 10 NT dollars, clipper card, which is the yo-yo car in the San Francisco Bay Area, keys, metal chopstick, and a water container. And here's our procedures. First, you want to find a container with a volume of 3150 ml, and then you want to fill it up. Then you're just gonna start dropping each item at the height of 4.5 centimeter above the water. Also, make sure to do a countdown before dropping the items. When the items are dropped, start the timer. Stop the timer the moment the items hit the bottom of the container. Here's our results table, and I guess you all could better understand this in the graph, so here it is. So the fastest objects to sink are the keys, and the slowest one is the clipper card. And after we did the experiment, we measured all the objects' density, and keys has the highest density, and clipper card has the lowest density, which showed that our hypothesis was correct. And this also showed why an anchor can easily fall down to the bottom of the water, while a wooden plank will just float. Some of the problems that we found after we did the experiment is that we found out that our container wasn't fully rectangular. Also, we could have found objects that have something in common, like same mass or same volume, so it would be easier to compare. Also, there were some objects, like the clipper card, when you drop it vertically, it sinks, and when you drop it horizontally, it floats. Yeah, thank you.